Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on using InMap for network scanning and analysis. Today, we'll learn how to number 1. Perform port scanning to identify open ports and categorize them into critical, non-critical, and closed. Number 2. Detect vulnerabilities using InMap scripting features. Number 3. Use service version detection to gather details about running services. Number 4. Visualize network topology and ZenMap graphical features. And number 5. Make recommendation for improving security. And let's get started. First, let's start with port scanning. Open ZenMap and in the target field, enter the IP address or hostname of the target device. For example, I use my IP address as our target. Now, in the profile dropdown, select Intense Scan or customize your scan by adding plugs like P to scan all ports or top ports 100 to scan the most common 100 ports. As you can see, the scan list of open ports, their status, and the associated services. Let's categorize them. Critical ports are those that run important like service like SSH or port 22 or HTTP on port 80. Understanding these ports help prioritize security efforts. Next, let's identify vulnerabilities using InMap scripting features. InMap includes a powerful scripting engine or NSE. Here's how you can use it. This script uses a vulnerability database to identify known issues with services running on open ports. This checks for vulnerabilities specific to HTTP services such as outdated web servers or insecure configuration. Here, we see potential vulnerabilities such as outdated software versions or weak configurations. Each finding can cause us to specific actions like updating software or configuring firewalls. Now, let's use InMap service version detection to gather more detailed information about running services. Use the SB plug in your scan. Command InMap. Here, we see details about the software version protocols in use. For example, this HTTP service is running Apache. Knowing this helps determine in the software is up to date or requires patching. Finally, let's visualize the network topology using ZenMap. After running a scan, switch to the Topology tab to view a graphical representation of the network. This view shows the relationships between devices. We can highlight critical devices like servers and identify REST configurations, like unmonitored connection or exposed devices. Visualizing the network help identify potential weak points and plan better defenses.